Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Fierce and Feisty Bullseye. Today I'm going to be installing my Holosun 507K green dot onto my Walther PDP-F. So something that you guys should know is that Walther, with this new PDP-F that had come out last year, seemed to be really, I don't want to say difficult, but their plate system for any optic is very specific. So I ended up having to get an attachment that was completely aftermarket, I guess you could say, for my Holosun to put it on there. They're very specific when it comes to the types of optics that they already come cut for. And unfortunately with Holosun, you have to get a special plate, which kind of sucks, just because Holosun's a very big brand, but it is what it is. So I went on to Amazon and I got this aftermarket plate, which will be actually on my website if you guys need to know what it is, or if you're trying to do the same thing. It is ZR Tactical is who made this. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take off the current plate that's already on there, but I'm going to show you guys that this is a cleared pistol, which it is. There's nothing in the chamber or magazine well, so this is a safe pistol to work on. So I'm actually using my Fix-It Stick kit. I love Fix-It Stick. They're my favorite thing ever. I definitely would say, if you have a chance or if the funds allow, get one. They're amazing, love them. Okay, so the attachment piece that's on here, on my Fix-It Stick, it is a T10. It actually matches the Holosun tool. So I just got it because, well, it's nice to have. So first thing I'm gonna do is remove the current plate cover. Okay, so I'm setting that aside. All right, so we're gonna take this out. You do need to use the screws that came with specifically mounting the plate on the pistol. So there is that, but I use the Holosun screws with the Loctite on it to mount my Holosun. So this should pair up like you are going this way. Yep, fits perfectly, perfect, good. Great. That should fit there. Yep. And it looks like I will be using shorter than those Holosun screws to put it on there. But first we're going to mount the plate on. Okay, so I'm actually going to use the middle screw to mount the plate on. The long ones are actually a little too long, so. Okay, so even though this is the plate and not the optic, I'm going to torque these down. So this is where the Fix-It Stick comes in. We torque our optics at about 15. So I'm going to torque the plate on there at also about 15. I need to face it where I can see it. 15. 15. Going to seat my Holosun on, so now it fits, but looks like we're going to need shorter screws than we already have on there, which is fine. I have some that came with the original Holosun kit. Always keep your kit. It has screws that you probably need. These ones here, these ones are a little bit shorter, so. All right, so we're gonna put these shorter screws in. 15. 15. All right, so everything, dang, that's bright. Everything's good to go. My Holosun is now mounted. If I use it like this, I'm not feeling anything, that's good. After I clean it, I'll probably put my optic guard on there just because I like to have it protected, but this little baby needs to be cleaned first, so that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on social media. I hope you have a fierce and feisty day.